back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope each and every one of you are having an absolutely amazing day. So as you can see from the description below, today we will be unboxing our April 2019 VellaBox. I love this subscription. It is a candle subscription, so it is always one of my favorites to unbox and share with you guys. I will tell you a little bit about it, but first I want to remind you guys that I do have an active giveaway going on. If you head over to my Disney Villains ColourPop video, the instructions are in that video on how to enter, and you will be entering for a chance to win the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun, as well as a brand new Michael Kors wallet. So that ends on the 18th, so you do have still quite a few days to enter, so head over if you have done already. And if you are new, please do consider hitting subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please, if you enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And leave me a comment down below telling me about your day, if you enjoyed the video, and what you've been doing, how you're doing. I'd love to hear from you guys. So, a little bit about VellaBox. Again, it is a candle subscription, so it goes right to my heart. I love candles and anything that smells good, which these always do. They do have, just so you guys are aware, 3 different plans. Excuse me. They have their, sorry, that was in the way. They have their Lucerna, which is a $10 monthly plan, and you receive a 4-ounce candle. With all 3 of their plans, you do always receive a little bonus special gift. So you get the 4-ounce candle and the bonus gift for $10. Then they have the Ignis, which is a $20 plan, and you receive an 8-ounce candle, again with the free gift. And the Lucerna, the 4-ounce candle, that is approximately 25 hours of burn time, and the Ignis with 8 ounces, approximately 50. And then they do have the Vivere, which is a $30 subscription, and you receive both the 4-ounce and the 8-ounce candles, plus the special gift for a total burn time of about 75 hours. The Vivere is the one that I have here, so we will get into this. These are artisan candles, and usually they do feature have a featured candle maker each month, so we'll dive in and see. One thing I love too is there's always, first of all, these adorable canvasy bags that the candles come in, and they are such great quality. You can reuse them for so many things, and they're always super cute. Second, I love that right here there is always a beautiful picture with a little quote inside when you open the box, and this one says, "April showers bring May flowers," and it is a beautiful flower. So let me find a card that will tell us about our candles. Oh, and I can see our special gift. I can already see it. And it is so cute. Okay. So here is our card for the month. And it looks like our featured candle artisan is Nature's Kindle. They are from Portland, Oregon. And it says, this artisan crafts premium soy candles featuring scents inspired by nature. Each candle is hand-poured in their Portland studio with love and care. Follow along as ideas born on the trail are crafted and brought to life as beautiful fragrances for your home. Yay! Okay, so we are going to start with the 4-ounce candle, which is this one right here. Again, I just love these little drawstring bags. They are so cute and so well made. So this is a little tin candle. Oh, cucumber mint. I bet this is going to smell amazing. Oh my gosh, y'all, that smells so good. It's got a little bit of like a sweetness because of the mint, but then it's like a freshness with the cucumber. Like, I want you to smell. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Oh, that smells so good and just so refreshing between the little bit of the mint and the cucumber. Like I said, it's got a little sweet hint, I think, because of the mint, but it is just a fresh, definitely a spring scent. So again, this was the Cucumber Mint by Nature's Kindle. So yay for that one. And it says, fragrance notes, fresh cucumber and mint. Relax after the winter blues. This calming blend of cucumber and zesty mint will mellow out your space, yet energize you for the day ahead. I will be lighting that in the morning when I make my coffee and energize myself for the day. So then we have our 8-ounce candle, again in an adorable, the bags are always the same, cute canvas drawstring bag. Oh, the scent is Rain. And it's in a mason jar. Y'all know I'm in the South. I love me some mason jars. So this, again, obviously is also by Nature's Kindle. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that smells so good. That smells just so fresh and clean. Like, oh, I love that. And again, I just want to be like, here, smell it. That almost smells like if you walk outside on like a day or like a very early spring morning where it's still kind of cool and maybe it had rained and the sun is out. Just that fresh smell. Oh, it smells so, so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. And it says the fragrance notes are crisp air, clean cotton, and rain. And I definitely was picking up like a clean cotton, like that fresh smell. Spring rain blooms new life. This scent is fresh, rejuvenating, and will lift you up and cleanse your home. Yes, please. Oh, I don't know which one is my favorite. They both smell so amazing. And I bet having them together lit like at the same time, obviously in different rooms, just, oh, it's going to smell so good. I'm doing that. And then I think this is so appropriate with the April showers bring May flowers. Our little special gift this month is a pack of Dwarf Marigold flower seed mix. Yay for flowers! It says, as Aubrey Hepburn once said, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Begin your garden with these beautiful petite marigolds. This annual flower is known to grow easily from seed, typically to a height of 6 to 12 inches. Find detailed planting instructions and care tips from our friends at gardeningknowhow.com. So yay for some marigolds. I actually did receive some marigolds in a different subscription, and they have already started to, they're little seedlings now, and they're about this high, so I'm super excited. Now I have more. So yay, I think that is amazing. We have gotten chocolate before, we have gotten lip balm, hand cream. It's always such a variety with the little special gift, and it's always amazing. They find a way to tie everything in. So I think seeds to grow flowers in an April showers box is very appropriate. So again, Nature's Kindle was the featured artisan this month. We have the 4-ounce cucumber mint tin candle that smells fantastic. And then the cute mason jar, Rain, also Nature's Kindle. I think this one smells absolutely amazing. And like I said, I'm going to probably light both of them and have them going in different rooms. Maybe one like in the kitchen and one in the living room. It's kind of an open floor plan in my home, so they'll kind of hopefully mix and just have this amazing spring fresh smell going on. So I can't wait to see what they actually smell like burning. And like I said, you do always also get the cute canvas bags to protect the candles in shipping. And again, this is the Vivere, and And this is the $30 subscription. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Like I said, they do have plans starting at just $10 a month, and you cannot beat that. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you thought. I wish we had smell-o-vision. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.